Hey guys, it's your girl Key, aka Kiwi, and I am back today with a new video. As you can see, today's video is going to be on brows. So I'm going to share with you all my updated brow routine. And if you're interested in seeing how I got these perfect brows, keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off with 3 products. I'm going to go ahead and shape my brow, just brush them and shape them. I'm following my natural brow arch while I'm doing this. First, I'm going to start with my NYX brow gel in the color Expresso. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to use my angled brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the middle portion of my brow, and I'm going to do gentle strokes, kind of like in a flick-like motion. And I'm going to do these light strokes all around my brow, so starting in the middle portion and then going out to the ends of my brow, and then I'm going to use the rest of the product on the brush and I'm going to start filling in upwards, still doing those gentle strokes, and I'm going to again follow my natural brow arch. And on the outer corners, you want to kind of do a longer stroke and pull your brush and your product down a little bit so you can form that, you know, cute little sharp edge or end of our brow. So then I'm going to get a little bit more product and I'm going to start filling in the inner portion of my brow. And I want to do light, gentle strokes in this area because I don't like it to be very dense. I'm going to go in with a little bit more product, and this is just going to darken my brow. I'm still doing those short strokes, and I'm going to work my way towards the inner corner of my brow. And so I'm going to repeat the same steps on my other brow, making sure I start in the middle of my brow, doing those light strokes or flicks until I get to the outer corner of my brow, and then I'm going to make my end with a long flick motion, and then here I just kind of went up over the top and kind of shaped my brow. That's because my brows are a little bit funky, but now I'm going to go in and I'm going to finish filling in like I did on the other brow. So as you start to fill your brows in, you can make longer strokes. I usually only like to get a little bit of product in the beginning and then build on it depending on how dark or dense I like my brows to be. But I like to make sure that the inner corners of my brow aren't too dark. I'm more so into the natural look on the inner portions of my brow. So I'm going to brush out the inner corners of my brow, and then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in color medium dark. Basically, this is just going to give the inner corners of my brow a little bit more definition without making them too dark. So I do light strokes again, and I just kind of fill in and shape my brows the way I want them to be shaped. So this is my updated brow routine. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. See you guys next time.